Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the tween animation in Android and perform the rotation operation on ImageView. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better with my video lecture. And here I edit bundle Eclipse already open. And first step, we can launch our in device. So in window menu, Android virtual device manager, select our AVD start and launch. So when we can take the design and coding in our Java file, so our device is ready. So yes, that device is appear. So I minimize and close this window, and after second step file menu, we can take a new Android application project. So here new Android application window is appear, and here our goal, that is a tween. Yes, TWEEN tween, and perform the rotate. So yes, so rotate. Yes, that application is already there. So we can say that R demo. So rotation demo, tween animation and R demo. So that we have to change. Yes, here that is a not select our workspace folder. So browse and in this laptop and F drive. Yes, and here that is Android demo. Yes, so I select and again we have to type to our application name. So we can say that tween underscore R demo. So rotation. So yes, next our icon and background color. Next blank activity. Next main activity and activity underscore main, and then finish. So yes, after take some process, our apps is created. So you can look here in status bar. So that progress bar is yes, now perfect, complete that process. And first step, we can select this hello world and remove. So yes, so first we can now in the application, that first step, so that our apps is create, our device is launch, and we can perform the tween animation. So there are three type of animation in Android. First is property animation, then view animation, and then drawable. So that is a view animation branch, two sub branch, and first is a tween animation, then after frame by frame animation. So in my previous video lecture, we have to take the alpha tag. Now we can take the rotation tag, and clockwise and anti-clockwise we can rotate the one image. So first we have to take one image in drawable folder. So res, that is our resources, and right click. Yes, you can also go in particular folder and create new folder. So new, and here that option is folder. So we can take the drawable. So uh, uh, yes, uh, WABLE drawable. So finish, and now we can select one image, copy and paste to in this laptop. So I select the picture and image is there, and we can select the column. So I copy and paste to our application project res. So yes, Android demo, that is our main folder, and tween. Yes, so I select T. So that is, you can see that is a tween R demo. Yes, and then res, and then drawable. So paste that image. So perfectly, you can take any image from internet or your PC or laptop. And now we can go again in our edit bundle and res select again, right click, yes, and refresh. So our image is display. You can look here now. So yes, after we can take the image from drawable folder, we can media and image, that is folder, and take the image view. So you can look here, I select M1. So you can look here preview, and then yes, that very large size you can see here. So we can take some size normal. So what to do? So here, that is a width and height. We can take 200 dp. Yes, and height is also, we can take 200 dp. So independent pixel. Yes, that is. And now what to do? So yes, in relatively layout, we can set one property, and that is a Android, that is a parent. So layout gravity and top. Yes, and also we can set that top center vertical. So that is a bitwise OR operator. So let us check. So yes, now perfectly require that image is set automatically. So we can control in XML file. So now we can first rotate this image in this clockwise and then anti-clockwise. So first that our design is ready, and now we can directly click event on the image, and you can also take button and then click event. You can also coding of that means image. So better we can that event on click event we can write in XML file. So you can look here. So on click, yes, and we can say that img underscore click. That is our click event. So we can directly not click set on click listener registration on all that thing. Now our design is ready. Now that second step, that is first step, we can take the one image and image view and take the our image. You can also take the button and that apply that coding. Now we can create the another important folder, and I again select res and new, same process and folder, and that name is anim animation. That is our resources. So you can look in under res and that am. Now again that I select the am, and we can create one XML file. So that is a view animation require the XML file, and property animation no require directly coding you have to perform. So you can look here. That is first I take already in my previous video lecture, I take the alpha tag. Now turn to rotation, and next upcoming my video lecture, I take the scale, and next is translate. So set is a root tag. So you can see that root element, and here we can take like RIMG underscore clock. So that is a clockwise. Yes, so that is perfectly. So rotation image clockwise, that my XML file in this tween animation. So now that second step. So yes, that our ready set, and I full screen. So first attribute we can set interpolation. So you can look here interpolation, and I give the one blank, and here we can set accelerator decelerator interpolation. Yes, perfectly. So I take my screen to below so you can watch perfectly. Yes. Now what to do? So we can here take the rotation tag, and that I is a single tag, and we can from degree. So you can like in geographic, so that is a degree. So 0, yes, and that maximum 2 degree 360. And now what to do? So here we can capture the image, that is pivot X and pivot Y. So some students not understand what is a pivot. So pivot is a element like in the data structure. We can quick short, and so that based on quick short or also merge short, we can select the pivot element. So yes, here that is percentage we do 50. So that capture them in the in middle center point. So 50 percentage. And now that is we can define the duration. So that is a how to rotate your image. So I give the 1000. So our XML file is ready. Yes, I control S, so that save. And now that last step, how to apply or load that animation. So yes, now I go in the Java file. You can look here, and that I double click main activity.java, and then we can take the reference of image. So image view, yes, and that is I give the img1. Okay, and that take id from that r.java file. So image view find view by id, that is a method of activity class, and that return is a view class parent. So we can need the typecasting. Yes, so you can look here. Now no any error, and now we can take as directly image click event. So img underscore click, that is our give the XML file. We can take the on click and that pass the parent reference as a view and import that package android.view. So error is gone. Now we can also take the animation class. Yes, animation. So that is a view animation and util utilities animation. So utils. Yes. So first we can take animation an, give the reference, and now what to do? So again here animation util, yes, now that appear, and that one method is a load animation, and we can pass the two arguments like full screen. So you can context, yes, you have to know get application context. So here you can, or main activity this, you can two choice, and also third is a this only. And here r dot anim, that is our resource folder, all that folder is appear here, that is our resources. And any animation anim, that is you can select our r image underscore clockwise. So that is our XML file. And now yes, what to do? So we can, yes, that is a, we can say that start animation. So you can look here, that is a start animation one method of the view class parent, and we can pass the reference of animation class. That is only two-line coding. Yes, very simple. So we can take as a clockwise. Yes, let us check. So my control S save, and now we can run. Yes, very simple. So only three steps. First, we can take the drawable folder, one image and image view, and that select the image. Second step, again right click and I just summarize. So animation, and we can take the XML right click animation folder and select the XML file in Android and create the rotation set tag, and that from degree 0 to degree 360, pilot XY 50% and duration 1000. And then last step, we can take two class, animation and animation utils, that is a load animation, two argument you have to pass, get application context, main activities or this or only this keyword. And second r.anim, that is our folder and our file to XML. And start, that is a object or reference of animation, start animation. So that is a method of the view class. You can look here. Now we can run. So there is three steps we can complete our process. So I select right click and run as Android application. So you can look here, our device is ready. So I open the lock and wait few seconds. Here process is, yes, that taking launch new device. Yes, here sometime that problem. So yes, that not select our previous device. So that is a taking new device because that is a cache is already in use. So that is I close now. So it is a not use this default our device. So taking the new device, but that take not much more time. It simple, very quick that display our output. So yes, uh, again I revise all these things. So our device is ready because there is no any chance. So we cannot consume our time. So yes, I revise the second time our what is in Tween Animation. So we can three-step complete our process. So first step, yes, we can go in the res folder and right click. Yes, I again just show you. So right click new and take the new folder, and that give the drawable, and copy and paste to image to your PC or from internet. You can copy and paste or save one image from internet to drawable folder. Then we can take the image view and take select this image and change that uh, width and height, and on click event we have to write. Yes, that perfectly. So and also we can parent layout gravity top center vertical. Yes, you can multiple choice here, that is a bitwise. So that is a top vertical center vertical center horizontal, so many properties there. Now second step, again I right click res folder, that we can take the another folder, and that I give the anim animation, and again I right click animation folder and Android XML files. So we can just select the Android, and that set tag we can set the interpolation. So accelerator, dexlator, or only you can select the accelerator. So that is like a speed measurement. And rotation tag. So from degree 0 to degree 360, pivot XY 50, that you can pass the percentage, and duration 1000. And that is complete our process. Second step, we can create the XML file. And last step, we can load our image. So what to do? So animation, that is a one reference, and image view one reference, and we can take ID from r.java file, and then an animation util load the animation, pass the two argument, get application context r.anm folder, and select our XML file, and image view. Then second method of that is a view class start animation, and pass the an, that is a reference of animation class. So that is a three step, and now fourth we can run. So yes, that is a take much time. So I revise all that things, but now I think you can check at look at window. So where our application, yes, now you can look here, install the tween r demo.apk. So that is a bin folder that our dx dalvik executable file and apk android package file that generate. So now that very quick our application is output is displaying to our device. So that is a very short time that yes, I think now install and successful, that message is here due, then our output is displayed. So yes, I revised all the things, but our devices take much more time. So yes, now that yes, you can look here, that is a process is complete. I press the OK button, and yes, now I think that is all our device is complete, and now very quick short time that launch our device or launch our app. Yes, you can look here success. So now our application is ready. Yes, output is coming. So yes, exactly. So you can look here. So what to do? So yes, I click. So you can look very simple way. We can rotate. Yes, very simple and very easy logic. So rotation one image in Android. So yes, I click a number of time. Yes, what is the solution? I only click one time and image rotate infinite. So yes, we can change in our XML file. So here we can include two important other attributes, and that is a repeat count and repeat mode. So repeat count is infinite. You can look only one possible value, and then repeat mode. So that is a restart and revert. So we can say that restart. So I can save, Control S, and again I run our apps. So let us take. So now I hope not select other device, and same device our output is generated. So hope yes, but that is a fail to install the device time I would. So yes, that device is cancelled. So I can solution of that ADT bundle. So that is a sometime happen. So what to do here? Just again we can run, but now that not take much more time, because that is a previously take more time. So yes, now what to do? So here you can also change directly in this file, but we can take the new XML file and we have to change. So you can take any number of XML file in NM folder. So we can clockwise rotation. Now I take another XML file. So whenever we can take new file, so our device is ready. So right click NM folder, new, and Android XML file, and yes, you can look here. So here are image, and that is a anti, so that is a uh, anti-clockwise. So yes, that is an Yes, anti clock, very long name is there. So clockwise, so anti-clockwise, so that is a reverse. So next, that is a set is a root tag. Yes, now finish. So yes, here we can same process, set tag. We first interpolation and provide one blank to here and set the accelerator and deccelerator or only in accelerator. I just select the accelerator. Now what to do? So here we can again take the rotation tag. So that is also we can say that revision, and then from degree we give the 360, and then 2 degree we can take the reverse order 0, and then pivot element, so that is a 50 percentage, so image capture in center point, and pivot x and y, so again that is a 50 percentage, yes, and last that is a duration. So I give the small 500, and repeat count, yes, I first not give the repeat count, so I save. Yes, so we can change that file. Yes, anti-clockwise XML. So you can look here our install APK. So now our apps is very short that appear, and also you can use the repeat count and repeat mode in also anti-clockwise. So first we can say that clockwise, and then after we can uh, take as an anti-clockwise. So we can just change our XML file. Yes, so you can any number of XML file in the same, and coding is not changed. You can just change the XML file in Java file. So look like here. So you can change here r.anm folder, then you can select your XML file. So that is a very perfectly coding is not changed. Just you can change your create any number of XML file and you can run. So yes, now our device is ready. Yes, you can look here message and succeed is remaining. So very shortly our apps is installed, and then display. Yes, now that app here you can look here succeed. So successfully, yes, now very short you can look now appear or output. Yes, now so I click one time. Yes, that is a rotation. So that is a I think clockwise. Yes, you can look here, and repeat count and repeat mode. I use the two important attributes in XML file. Now again, I minimize and change here directly. I previously told you. So you can just change I dot. So you can look, there are two XML files. So anti-clockwise I select, and again I run, but I hope you that not take the same device and not fail. So launch is failed, then we can, yes, now I think no fail. Yes, you can look here directly install. So that is our previously output, but now very short time, that take not much more time. Install is perfectly. Now, yes, you can look in status bar, that progress bar is ongoing, and previously our output is now gone, and latest our new, so that is a anti-clockwise. So in that is a rotation here, and now that rotate in the reverse order. So wait, yes, that is a only one time I click, and that is a infinite. So that image move in the center pivot element. So you can also apply the 0%. So that is a take corner of the image and rotation. So yes, now that our output is gone previously, and now latest our apps is launched. Yes, succeed. You can look here. So yes, very fast. Now I think yes, you can look. So yes, I click. So you can look very in reverse order that image is rotation. And same process, yes, you can also use in the anti-clockwise. So here we can also use the repeat count and repeat mode. So that the infinite, and then same repeat mode, restart or revert. So yes, I give the revert. So what happened? So I save, Control S. Again, I run. and I hopefully that is not taking fail our device. So yes, I think take the yes, but fail. Yes, here fail to install. So that is a very creating problem. So again, I run. Yes, I think yes, now that perfectly. So yes, here that is the same. That is only click one time, and that is an infinite loop. So I hope you can understand. So now you can wait only few seconds because that is a, so I just show you how to output. So here and only two line you can apply in the image, and previously I told you can also take one button. So like I give the example. So what to do? So yes, here you can take the two button, clockwise and anti-clockwise. So you can same time image is one, but here I directly take the image click, but that I from you can take two button. Yes, that is you can select in this click event clockwise, and then second button is anti-clockwise. So that is also better. You can show at the same time two effect. Start that is a clockwise and that is anti-clockwise. But now you can apply uh, to yourself because just I give the idea. So that is a we can separate the two file, and coding is same. There is two line. So I remove this button, just I show that is a how to you perform at the same time effect on Android. So any number of time you can take the XML file. So in this session my goal is rotation tag and clockwise and anti-clockwise we have to performance. And I think now our device is yes but at launch. So yes, I hope you can understand. So let us check because that take now yes now that is installed. So yes, that is a sometime creating ADT bundle is device is launch failed, and that again we have to run. So that take much more time. So yes, there are three steps we can complete our process, and you can take any image from internet and your PC. So just I wait for our output for last how to anti infinite loop. So you think I think you have to here complete that process. So very quick that output is appear. So that is a depend upon the RAM. Yes, here I think now. So that is a sometime take much more time to our expectation. So yes, now that is a ready to our device, and very short time that succeed message is appear, and then our output is displayed. So yes, that is a yes perfectly appear our device. So yes, any question regarding this output of Tween Animation? So you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. So any question from Android or any concept from Android, you can write in comment line. I give the definitely to answer you. So now you can look here, succeed, and now our output is appear. So I just wait. Yes, now yes, you can look. That is, I click only one time. So yes, that is a revert effect. You can look here. So that is a revert. In previously, what to do? Restart. So here is a revert. So just I show you. So I wait for this effect only. So now I can complete my this session how the tween animation and rotate tag in set tag. So that is a tween animation, and that is a branch of view animation. So there are two branch view animation. That is a tween animation and frame by frame animation. So we can step by step cover all the tween. So here I take the rotation tag. Next upcoming my video lecture I take the scale tag. So and then after we can take the translation, and then I go in frame by frame animation. So just subscribe my channel Ashok C Jala Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update, And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.